partial derivative of z. So ang iyang result is 2z. So may nakuha naman ito ang nagsagkan sa niya ka sa iyong tuan sa divergence. Ito na i-compute. So f x, y, z. So equals to f 2x plus negative y plus z squared. Ang iyang divergence result is 1 plus 2z. So nakuha na nato ang divergence. So anda po i-solve ang curl. So for computing the curl, natay formula derivative of f is equals to partial derivative of f3 over partial derivative of y minus partial derivative of f2 over partial derivative of z minus partial derivative of f3 over partial derivative of z partial derivative of f3 over partial derivative of x minus partial derivative of f2 over partial derivative of x minus partial derivative of f1 over partial derivative of y. So kung tagsama na nato, so for the first partial derivative of f3 over y, ato lang yung i-input ang iyang given value. So para yung ang answer ay taas naman, ako lang yung dito 0. So dire 0 po. So 0 na siya ang tanan. So ato ang iba na lang nalbo na lang ito calculating the curve. Okay, 0